mission at Sawblade.com is to help you maximize your performance. We engineer our products to the highest standards of quality to exceed your expectations. I'm product specialist Celeste, and this is the Centauro 700 bandsaw guide upgrade kit. Take your machine to the next level with this quality, professional, economical aftermarket part that is engineered to minimize problematic vibration and maximize performance. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. The CC28 kit comes with two micro-precision CP20 guides that are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 1 1/4 inches, and comes complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper CP guide blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Centauro aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts, such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, please check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work, and we stand behind our blade with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence, knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching. And for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.